welcome back sa aking channel. This is Chris Alan at ngayong araw meron tayong papanoorin video galing sa America's Got Talent The Champions na I think this is the season 3 na ng The Champions. So papanoorin natin yung performance ng isang Filipino duo na naging part rin ng Pilipinas Got Talent. So ang tinutukoy ko ay yung power duo na isang I think ito yung yung acrobatics, something like that. So, hindi ko na ito patatagalin pa. Papanoorin natin yung video at dito ibibigay ko yung reaction at opinion ko with this video. So, let's go!
There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back home.
There goes my head shaking, and you are the reason my heart keeps beating. I need you now.
Feeling the dark, but spend every hour of every day keeping you safe. I climb every mountain, swim every ocean, just to be with you. Fix the
Okay, dahil ko napanood natin yung performance ng Power Duo sa Season 3 ng America's Got Talent The Champions. Isang Filipino duo na nanggaling sa Pilipinas Got Talent. Hindi ko alam kung hanggang saan yun naabot ng Power Duo sa Pilipinas Got Talent. Pero I think finalist rin sila. So, kahit ilang beses ko nang napanood tong Power Duo sa Pilipinas Got Talent, pero still, until now, na-miss pa rin ako doon sa performance nila. And I could say, ito yung mga talent na kakaiba. Na normally nakikita natin sa Pilipinas Got Talent sa iba bang franchise ng Got Talent singing. Ito yung talagang unique. And as in talagang unique na maganda. Hindi yun iba yung unique lang na kasi nakakatawa lang. Pero this one is really a talent. And I'm really amazed on their performance. At ramdam mo rin yung love nilang dalawa. Naramdaman mo yun talaga yung emotion nilang dalawa na they really love each other, they trust each other habang they're doing their stance. They're doing their stance. So, pasensya na kayo doon. So, yun, nakakatawa. And I am very happy for this. And nakaka-proud, diba, na umabot rin dito sa international yung performance nila. Yun lang. Sa kabilang side ng pagiging proud, nandun rin yung sad, yung lungkot. Kasi alam natin na kabunad yun si Simon Cowell, hindi nila papanalunin ito kahit deserving, di ba? And gagamitin lang niya sa ratings yung mga Pinoy because he knew na malaki yung number ng mga Filipino na who is watching the show. So kahit anong effort mong gawin, di ba, it's mahirap na maka-achieve ng panalo. I think itong Power Duo nakapasok na sila ng finals, top 3, if I'm not mistaken. I-correct niyo ako, basta meron ako kasi napanood na video before itong performance nila. meron na ako napanood na parang yung nakapasok sila sa as finalist, diba? So, pero hindi na ako maasa na they will win because alam mo na, they're using these talents, Filipino talents, para to get more viewership from Asians, especially the Filipinos. So, back to sa performance na, as in, magaling. Medyo nakulangan lang ako ng konti. Even though I still love the performance, medyo nag-expect kasi ako na malaki. Kasi nga, international scene to. So, they would give more. They would give yung powerful. Yun lang. So, but still, I'm still convinced and I still like the performance kasi nga, I always consider this a very unique talent, very unique performance, very unique na act na hindi natin masyado common nakikita sa mga talent franchise. So, congrats sa Power Duo and good luck. And alam naman na, kahit na alam natin na medyo alanganin talaga manalo sa talent as long as basta nandun lagi si Simon Cowell sa judges, diba? So again, congrats ulit sa Power Duo na nakaabot ko ng America's Got Talent. So, masaya na. Kahit hindi manalo ang Power Duo, ang importante, Filipino were able to showcase their talent to international audience, diba? So, yun. So, that's all. So, kung nagustuhan nyo yung video ng performance ng Power Duo, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. At kung nagustuhan nyo naman yung reaction ko at opinion ko about this performance, mag-comment sa baba and I will try to babasahin ko lahat ng mga comments nyo and kung kailangan ko sumagot o mag-reply, pabalik, I will do that. So, again, yun. Dito sa baba, comment section. And thank you also to all who has been watching my videos from my channels. From I think 4 channels, diba? So, sana tuloy-tuloy pag-supportan nyo, patuloy nyo panoorin mga videos ko. And speaking of my videos, please don't forget these 4 things while watching my videos on my channels. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channels. Ang Pinoy Talaga channel, The Honest Show, probably from the vlogs, and probably from the song hits. So, there you go. So, maraming salamat and have a nice day. I hope maging okay kayong araw na to and so na napasmal ko kayo ngayong araw while watching this video. So, thank you very much. Have a nice day.